What happens to your body if you eat pomegranates every day? It's a secret your doctor never wants you to know. First, your heart will be healthier. Pomegranates contain phytochemicals such as phytosterols and flavonoids, which can lower cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and prevent arteriosclerosis. Some of the compounds in pomegranate have anti-inflammatory effects that help reduce the symptoms of inflammatory diseases, such as arthritis. But that's not all. Your digestive system will be healthier. Pomegranate is rich in fiber, which helps to promote a healthy digestive system, prevent constipation, and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, maintaining the balance of intestinal flora. Immune support. Pomegranate is rich in vitamin C, an important antioxidant that helps boost immune system function, improve the body's resistance, the risk of infection. Share with someone who need it, and drop a "Yes, I will try it." Now tell me, from which country do you watching this video? Leave in the comment and follow us. Thank you.